How to edit a Pandadoc template. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a Pandadoc template. So to get started, go ahead and open Pandadoc and then click on the Templates tab on the left side of your screen and then select Template Gallery. From here, go ahead and select a template that you want to edit, and then that will take you here. So in here, go ahead and name your document and then add the recipient and the owner of the specific document. So you can enter their name, email, or group into the section. And then once you're done, click on that continue button to continue editing this into your canvas. So once it redirects you to your canvas, you can go ahead and proceed on edit the unfilled details on the template. So what you can do is to click on that areas where you want to add information to, and then go ahead and type in the information. So for example, in here, you can go ahead and type in the first name of the recipient along with the last name of the recipient. Now, once you're done with this, you can go ahead and send this to the recipient. And that is how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.